Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to do a Wiki assignment, and we'll start here in Criminal Justice Administration, and we're going to open up the Week 1 folder, and we're going to scroll down the menu to our Wiki 1 Lock Social Contract, and we'll click on that, and we'll read the directions. To fully understand the consensus versus conflict debate, it helps to first appreciate John Locke's concept of the social contract. Students will submit entries into the Wiki page, building upon the last poster's comment. Each student is required to submit at least one entry, and each entry needs to be at least 16 words in length. So we did find out something useful here in that we have to all submit at least one entry, and the entry has to be 16 words in length. And that's it. It's a real short assignment, and it can actually be kind of fun. So let's go ahead and click to launch into the Wiki page, and here we actually see the beginning of the Wiki assignment. Someone has typed here, Locke believed that people formed governments and gave up many of their rights, including the right to self-protection, in exchange for governmental protection of their lives and property. Now every time you click into this Wiki assignment, you're going to see at least one line of information. If you're the first student to click in a week, you'll just see the one line. If you wait later in the week to get involved in the in the assignment, then there's probably going to be a lot more information in here because students have already begun to fill it up. So let's presume that we're the first student, and this is what we're looking at. And we have read our chapter, and actually this information can be found on page 11 in chapter 1. And we're ready to build on this information, because in the end of this, what we're going to want to do is have a full story, and someone reading this would be able to get a really good idea of what Locke's social contract was all about. And we'll just do it one line at a time. So once I'm ready to give my information, I'll go ahead and click on the Edit Wiki Content. Don't click on the comment, because that'll put you down here, and no one will be able to read what you've said. So you're going to want to hit Edit Wiki Content. And now a dialog box opens up, and there's our sentence displayed to us again that gets us rolling. And like I said, we just want to tell this this story, one or two lines at a time, and we just need to make sure we get at least 16 words in our statement. So building upon the former comment, I might write something like, Locke also believed that most people are good, but some are not. Because of this, the good people to be on guard. Locke also believed that most people are good, but some are not. Because of this, the good people would always need to be on guard. Now, that's certainly more than 16 words, and it continues the story. I mean, right now we don't have too much. There's going to need to be a whole lot more information in here to fully explain the social contract. But it moves the narrative along, and that's all we're looking to do at this point, because there's going to be 20 some odd students adding information in here, and we don't want to tell it all at once. We want to allow all the students the opportunity to put some information in here. And at this point, as long as you're happy with your statement, you don't need to do any editing. All you do is scroll down here to the bottom and click on Submit. And success, Wiki page modified. You are done with this week's Wiki page assignment. And like I said, there's not too much to it. Each one of these is going to be very similar to this, where you only need to put in a little bit of information, and that's it. And if you have any more questions about it, certainly either email or phone your instructor, and they'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks, guys.